Hello YouTube fans, going to shoot a quick video on all the upgrades I've done on my 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America. So I bought this bike mainly because I do a lot of highway kind of riding. I'm a Patriot Guard rider, and bike comes in real handy on some of those PGR missions. Which sometimes can be a little long. Anyway, let's get right into it. I have the Ilium surfboards that are there. I have an extension from Ilium on the shifter. And then I have the Russell Daylong seat. Best investment one can make on as far as riding comfort. Definitely worth it. And then over here I've got a lot of different kind of accessories going on. I've got a CB radio hooked up, and then I have my Phoenix controller. The Phoenix controller is used to operate those running lamps, LED light strips that are there on the vehicle. Those come in very handy to see at night. I can then create what's called a wig-wag, and that's usually, I'll use that when we are on PGR missions. Again, help with the visibility. And then I can go all white if I wanted to. Those are just kind of all parking lights that I would use that for if I had the need to at night. And then also have a little siren on there. Very rarely will I use that, but I do have a siren on there. Also, the bike has equipped on it a front camera that you can see mounted kind of under there. Also have a GoPro set up. Recently I'm trying out the GoPro with a battery pack. Kind of hit and miss as far as it working or not. To have an Anchor battery pack that's in there. CBR Power Sports. That's the outfit that has the custom frame with the plug that you can plug your GoPro into. And also have, unfortunately, I've had a few batteries on this thing go through. By the way, all these electronics and everything are independent of the bike. In fact, they are powered by, voila, these lithium-ion batteries that are tucked away in the side case. You can see I have four, actually three that are used. One is for the first one on the right is used for the LED and sirens and the controller, Phoenix controller. Middle one, or the one next to that, is used for the CB radio. The third one is the CCTV camera, or the dash cam rather, and the fourth one is just a spare. And there's where I have my Vantru hooked up. It has a little SD card there that you'll take out. I actually don't have it in there right now, but take that out and you can take your video and download that to the internet. There's the Phoenix siren that you heard earlier. And again, all of this is controlled via the lithium-ion batteries that I showed you in the side case here. And then, of course, I have my rack that I put on the back. The rack that I put on the back, and that helps with the mounting of the flags. These are X50 flags. I have them covered right now. That's an outfit out of Wisconsin. Really good product, good flag, and that's come in really handy. Then I have my fire stick for the CB non-ground plane antenna. And that just about covers it. You see the Ilium crash bars there on the side. Thank God I haven't had to use those. Those haven't come in yet. Handy. And then as far as light covers, instead of getting and spending the money to replace them, I just put these covers on. It's a little easier to work with. So anyway, that's a quick video on how the bike is set up. And maybe this will inspire you to do something with your bike and customize it to your needs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.